We've got 90 minutes of sunlight left. And me and Bill just finished, here I can take the plastic. Me and Bill just finished redoing the roof on the little overhang, and we're feeling a bit ambitious.
Might as well.
Since we're gonna be, we wanted to fix this plastic and maybe move it down a bit. But if we're gonna move it, we might as well pick it up and see what's actually underneath there. So I suggest we rip it up and we rip up all the shingles and see what we're even dealing with in this nasty spot.
It's gonna be a surprise. I know there's gonna be some bad spots.
Well, let's get to it. I think this part's solid. Seems solid enough. But there's all rot underneath there, I bet. You got the stuff at the door there?
Well, hey, here's
Nice.
good news.
What?
At least they put flashing.
Hey, look at that. Oh, very good. Very, very good.
You know what? We put our flashing, the shingles over our flashing.
Yeah, that works. Whatever. Yeah, we should probably make this tighter next time.
All right, then. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, man. I'm broken hearted.
Bring more boards. I need more boards. You know what? Tomorrow Joe needs something. Bring a couple more. This is terrible.
Oh my God.
I suggest we start over there and work our way over here.
Hey, check it out.
No, water.
Yeah.
Poke a hole in that. You want to start up there?
Oh, yeah, I'll meet you in the middle.
Oh, God. Hello there, how are you doing?
Windy.
Yeah, glad I caught you. Yikes. This is all part of the renovation.
You know, I was watching a renovation show about this couple in England, and they had to take their house right down to the studs. That's all that was left, was the studs of the house.
Not much of a house anymore.
Yeah, yeah. So I mean, we're better off than they were.
At a certain point, unless it's historically significant. Like this house.
Which I think theirs actually was, is why they were doing it.
Yeah, like this house. If we have to go down too hard, like fuck it, we can just rebuild it.
Yeah.
You know. Oh, I'm getting some here. All this gravel is coming off the shingles.
Well, you know,
What?
all of this, most of this stuff is the gravelly stuff.
Yeah.
Washed off.
Oh my
the
God,
shingles.
that is thick. Look at that.
Oh yeah, it's way thick.
Oof. Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah, the hazards of a rotten roof.
What are you doing standing up there?
I was on a piece. She gave way. Well,
Don't stand up on this. Wait, let me sit down. Don't stand up on this roof. I had to sit down for it to say that non-hypocritically.
I had enough structure to catch me.
Yeah, right in the crotch. Well, anyway, as I was going to say, this is proof of my failure to plastic properly. One of the pieces came up and the water's been running down, and I let that kind of come down a little bit. Yeah, and I should have, well, I did this in the middle of the night.
Don't go past this line. Because there ain't nothing to catch you if something lets go over there. Except the ground.
Oh, great.
Oh, no. Oh, no. You know what? I'm not even going to stand on that.
I wouldn't.
The floor roof joist. Yeah, this is officially dangerous up here now.
Yeah. Yeah, this entire piece is...
This has all been added on.
No wonder it's drifting. It's sinking.
I got overboard that.
Sorry.
Gave way from the...
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
You're just pulling the nails
The
out
nails.
by hand. Oh.
It's a good way to find the bad ones. Alright guys, we got it cleaned off. And this is a mess. And that thing was a trough. Evidently it was leaking, and so they just put a trough underneath there so it'd bring the water out instead of actually fixing the leak. So fucking dumb.
Yeah, they bring the trough to bring the water to hit the top of the porch ceiling.
Yeah,
That's
whatever.
So they routed the whole porch ceiling away.
Looks like they cut that, and so this should all be removed. Remove all these boards, have these go over so it's actually a cantilevered overhang instead of just floppy like that. And then some other time we can take one roll, we'll do that entire section there. So we can undo all that sometime.
Yeah.
Because we'll have to undo all this just to see what we're dealing with.
How far back the rock goes.
I think before winter, we might redo the roof and shingle back up to here and just have plastic for winter on the good parts. I think that'd be good. What do you think?
Well, we'll see how it goes.
We'll see how
I mean, there's a lot of repair work to be done here before we even think about shingling.
or at least we're going to be we're going to be working on the repair soon.
Yeah, because all these roof joists, as you can see, are rotted. So we're going to have to take some good wood, sister them against these pieces, so we have something solid again.
They're 2x8s that are pretty much rotted down to 2x4s or 2x6s.
Yeah, but we'll get some good wood.
Yeah.
Put it in next to it. It has to be done.
Well guys, my battery's dying, so I think we can spend the remaining like 20 minutes of sunlight putting the plastic back on, and tomorrow we're gonna go clean out the gutters and we're gonna spray that out. I think it's pretty much it. That was a peek at that. guys enjoyed this video, or do you have anything else to say?
I'm heartbroken.
Yeah, you're heartbroken. I said you'd be heartbroken, but oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya. Oh, you want to wave too?
You know, billows
Check
are up.
this out.
If
This
billows
one's right
up
here.
in the middle, maybe we should put that right down the middle of all this.
Perfect. Yes.
Oh, perfect.
I'm glad I set that one up there.